next topic is trade unions. What is trade union? Trade union means an association of workers formed to protect and promote their rights and interests. So here the objectives: protect workers' rights, improve wages and working conditions, ensure job security, and represent workers in disputes. The next one, functions. What are the functions of trade unions? Do anyone? Okay. Collective bargaining, negotiating wages, preventing exploitation, organizing strikes if necessary. So here, when workers feel their salary is low or working conditions are bad, they join together and form a group. That group is called trade union. Understood? When a workers feel their salary is low and work condition is bad, they join together and form a group is called trade union. For example, if factory workers demand salary increase, union leader talks to management on behalf of workers. Right? So trade union is a voice of workers.